time this evening. We're gonna make it very simple and straightforward. Alright? Yeah. So that's what's gonna happen this evening from Chef Ricardo Cooking. Alright? Now, as you can see for yourself, we got a few kind of ingredients, which is some secret ingredients for you guys can make at home. Alright? Yeah, it's gonna be one of those kind of recipes where you say to yourself, you know what I mean, you have to try this at home. Alright? Beautiful one. B, big up yourself. BH, big up yourself. Thank you so much for coming on the show. Alright? Yeah, man. Thank you so much for coming on the show. Really appreciate it. Alright, now, as I said, this not gonna be a long video this evening. It's gonna be a very quick video. It's gonna so quick you can't believe. Alright? Now, go to the shop tomorrow because it's evening now. Tomorrow you go to the supermarket or your local shop or your local food market and buy yourself some pumpkin. And when you buy the pumpkin, you bring it home and you cook it off. Boil it off here a little bit, make it kind of feel soft. As you can cook, mash up in your blender. And then you cool it down. Alright? So we're going to put in some pumpkin into the blender. Guys, I want you to see exactly what I'm doing. Because I don't want you to come back and ask me for the recipe. The recipe will be in my cookbook. Alright? Yeah. The recipe will be in my cookbook. Yeah. Alright, so as I said, this recipe gonna be a straightforward recipe, simple and delicious. Alright? Now, once you put in the pumpkin, get yourself some okra. Just simple branch off the okra into this hot water. Do not cook them too long. Alright? So you're gonna put in 2 okra, cut them up small and put them into the pan like that. Alright, that's the okra and that's the pumpkin. Alright guys, as I say, it's not gonna be a long video, it's gonna be a very, very quick video. Alright. STV, big up yourself. Something pop up. Alright, now this is some peanut. Alright, off the shell. Peanut. Very good for you. No salt, none upon this. Alright, guys. We're gonna put in roughly about 2 tablespoons of peanut. This is some date. Alright. You can get that in the local shop or your supermarket to buy. And you see this one right here? It's very good for you guys. Full of fiber. And not only that, it's a vegan friendly. High protein, high fiber. Very yummy, high fiber. Alright? So now, as you can see, I'm going to be using 3 of these inside of it. Alright? Yeah. 3 of them are going to be used inside of it. Alright? So, as you can see, there's no chemical in this right here. Alright? No chemical now going on this. This is going to be all natural. Because sometimes when you make it, if you put a lot of chemical in it, and the chemical doesn't good for us. Alright? So, as you can see for yourself, 100%, trust me guys, you will see exactly what I'm talking about. Alright? 100%. Now, once you put in, you got 1, 2, 3, 4 ingredients inside of it already. Then we're going to get the sea moss. You see this? This is the sea moss gel. I make it. The video is on my YouTube channel. Guys, go over and see how I make this one. Alright? Make you guys can see how I make the sea moss gel. Now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to get a tablespoon and put it straight inside of it. You see this? It's very good for the man them. Alright? And also, this is good for the ladies to use on their face. Make face mask. Because sometimes you have some ladies want their face to look different. You know what I mean? Yeah. You can use this on your face. Organic. There's no milk. There's nothing inside of this. This is just all natural, organic style. Alright? So basically, ladies, if you want to make a sea moss, we're going to give you a recipe for sea moss. Mix up the sea moss gel right here. Mix up the sea moss gel. And once you mix up the sea moss gel, yeah, get some organic honey and mix it together and make a face mask. Oh my God, this is amazing. So that's a sea mask for the ladies and who want their face to look different. So basically, you know, you have some ladies in life, you see how their face look different, but they don't want to use no makeup and they don't want to use certain things on their face. They want to be natural, organic style. Here it is. Alright? Trust me, the sea mask you can all use it and wash out of here. It's powerful, guys. Alright, so Right here, this is what I'm using, Ocean Moss. That's their product. All right, you can go over to their website and check them out. All right. Yeah, man. Check out oceanmoss.co.uk. Proper stuff them have down there. All right. So yeah, as you can see, that is just perfect for the weekend. All right. Yeah, man. Perfect for the weekend. So we got the sea moss, we got the peanut, we got the okra, we got the date, we got the date, and we have the pumpkin. Salam, Chef Ricardo. Now, we're gonna be using the Caribbean fusion sauce and spice essence, bacon essence, spice mix. All right. You see this one? You got everything in it already. You don't need nothing else. You know when you go to the supermarket, you have to buy 3 different kind of ingredients. This, you only need to buy 1. This only. I will put the link in the description box how to get it. And look at this. Alright. So that look nice? That is beautiful and delicious. 100%. Alright. So all you're going to need to do. Ocean Moss, big up yourself. I just see you pop on the script. Sorry man, I didn't even see you. What you need to do is get 2 teaspoons of it. And you're pretty good to go. Alright, 2 teaspoons of this beautiful essence, bacon essence. It's spice, it's amazing, guys. Look at it, good. Very, very good. Caribbean Fusion Sauce and Spice website. Go to their website and you can get this. Alright, and remember to check out oceanmoss.co.uk. You can get your product from them for buy. And trust me, if you have this in your house, trust me, your wife will be happy. Alright? Trust me, your wife won't leave you alone. Alright, this one, you can get it on their website for buy. Alright? Beautiful. Now, we're going to put some vanilla inside of it. Alright? Roughly about a tablespoon of vanilla. Alright? And if you notice, everything here is natural. Alright? There's no chemical. The only little thing I'm going to do with this right now is put a little bit of sweet condensed milk in it. Roughly about 2 tablespoons of sweet condensed milk. Alright? It's gonna be a simple one, guys. Not gonna be like, you know what I mean? Yeah. Simple. So we're gonna put 2 tablespoons of sweet condensed milk. 1, 2. Alright? That's it. We don't need anything else in it. Alright? Beautiful one, guys. As you can see, exactly what I'm going in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo this evening. Alright? So, yeah, man. Tune in and watch this on an amazing episode, because I know you guys never see anything like this in your life. So this is a brand new recipe for some people right now. Alright, 2 tablespoons and you're good to go. Alright? Now, what you want to do, this is you know when you make the pumpkin, when you cook, you boil off the pumpkin and you cool it down. Make sure you cool on the liquid. So we're going to use the liquid. You got the pumpkin water and you have okra in it. And okra. My God in heaven. This is trouble in land. Alright. Pour 1 cup inside of it. Alright. I'm using 1 cup. You see? Pumpkin water that. That is exactly what I'm talking about. Now, what you want to do, you want to cover it. Alright. And then we're going to take it to the blend. Look at that. We're going to take it to the blend. Guys, this is just like a simple recipe for you guys to make at home. And as I say, I'm not going to be on this live for a very long time. I'm going to be on it for a little bit of time. Alright? So remember to check out Ocean Moss. Alright? That's the product I've been using. And this 2 right here. This is the Caribbean Fusion Spice and Sauce and Spice Essence Bake Mix. Alright? So check them out and support them. You know what I mean? Get them product, guys. It's beautiful to do something totally different at home on the weekend. You know what I mean? And some of the ladies, you need to go into the kitchen and make some juice for your husband and for your boyfriend and for your girlfriend or whatever. You know what I mean? Go into the kitchen and make some energy drink, you know, in organic style. Watch Chef Ricardo video and surprise your husband when he come in from work. You know what I mean? Sometimes the man might work hard. You know what I mean? Hard and come home and I want to drink all a punch. Ladies, they need to just go into the kitchen and angle your business. Alright? Here it is. Get your sea moss, your ocean moss if you want to learn to make this one. go over to my YouTube channel and watch the video and see how I make it. All right, and you can make this and surprise your husband. All right, ladies, get yourself, and some of the man them too lazy to get in the kitchen and make on yourself some nice juice and big up on yourself. All right, here it is. Remember to check out Ocean Mass and also Caribbean Fusion Sauce and Spice website. We got a lot of stuff from them guys where I brought the other day. All right, look at this. So we're gonna blend up the bad boy right here. Look at it. Oh my God, let's make some nice with the blender. So after I make the nice, big up on yourself, I'm gonna go because I'm not gonna stay long. You know what I mean? Yeah, this evening is a very short video. All right. So let's blend up this, guys. Hear this. You hear that? You hear that? Listen good, guys. LG, big up yourself. Thank you so much, man. Please follow me on my IG, Chef Ricardo Cooking. You hear that? You hear that, guys? Friday evening style. Alright? Look at this now. Alright? Take a look at this. Look very good enough. Just look good. Alright? Look very, very, very good. Look at this. Wow. 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 Oh my God in heaven. No. This is very important right now. This is like a message to every one of you right now who watching. Alright? Get yourself in the kitchen. That's all I have to say. And handle your business. Alright? Get yourself in the kitchen and do what you have to do. Alright? Guys, take a good look at this. Look at the running at it. Look, just take a good look. Look at it run. Do you ever see anything like this in your whole entire life? No way, man. This, I'm saying, get yourself in the kitchen right now and do what you have to do. You know what I mean? Tell your husband, tell them, you know what I mean? Tell them, say, listen, bring some pumpkin or some okra on your way when you come home. Cause I saw a drink and I want to make it. Look at this, guys. Pumpkin and okra punch with some peanut. Alright? Guys, and some sea moss. No. Take a good look, you know. Just take a good look at this. My gosh. Do you ever see anything like this in your whole entire life? Alright? Yeah, man. This is something totally different from every other recipe where Chef Ricardo normally do. I normally make my okra punch. I normally make my pumpkin punch. All of these kind of recipe I normally make. But look at this one. Alright? Now, as I say, I put this, the ocean mass. And trust me, guys, look at that. Oh my God in heaven. This is proper organic. Now, because someone did ask me for the recipe and my IG about face mask. Alright? And as I say, the face mask one, I will have to do that video another day, guys. It's a requested. You know what I mean? A lot of people ask me. Right now, my request box is full. Alright, guys. So, this one is organic. 100% organic sea mask. I did not put anything in this one. Alright, so what you want to do with this now is get some honey and some organic honey and the sea mask and rub it on your face and leave it for a couple of minutes. Or, you know what I mean? And then you can put some of the essence baking inside of it. Cinnamon and all them stuff there. Alright, guys, look at this right here. So I don't know exactly what do you think, but trust me, if you think that is just an amazing recipe, trust me, guys, please subscribe to the YouTube channel and leave your comments. Tell a friend and a friend.